All right, let's talk about something we all have to deal with: insurance. But forget the confusing paperwork and the fine print for just a minute. Instead, we're going to head deep into the jungle to talk about monkeys, bananas, and why you absolutely need a plan when life starts, throwing coconuts at you.
Our guide for this little adventure is a very smart monkey who figured out a simple but massive truth. Everything changes. And you know what? He was so right. The jungle, just like our lives, is completely unpredictable. And that one simple idea is the reason we're even talking about this today. So this brings us to what we're calling the worried monkey problem. It's that little feeling in the back of your head, that nagging sense that even when things are going great, the jungle can flip the script on you in a second.
I mean, just picture it. You're a happy monkey. You've got a giant pile of bananas, the sun is shining, your treehouse is perfect, life is good. You don't have a single worry in the entire world. And then, bam! Overnight, a huge storm just rolls in out of nowhere. And that one perfect banana tree, the source of all your delicious bananas, it's gone. Just like that. Life went from amazing to, well, really, really bad. And it's not just the big storms, right? The jungle is just full of random risks. You've got these sneaky little thief monkeys who are always trying to get their hands on your bananas. There are giant coconuts that could drop at any second. And yeah, you read that right. Even the occasional, and I mean literal, bear attack. These are those unpredictable things we all have to worry about.
So, you're faced with all this potential chaos. But then, a really clever monkey comes along with a big idea. Let's call this guy the safety monkey. And he's got a pretty smart solution to help everyone else get a better night's sleep. So the safety monkey's plan is actually pretty simple. Every month, you give him a few leaves. It's a small payment, and we call it a premium. Now, sure, you have a few less leaves in your pocket, but what you get in return is something way more valuable: peace of mind.
Okay, this is the big question, isn't it? It just doesn't seem to add up. How can your tiny handful of leaves possibly be enough to pay for a whole new banana tree if yours gets destroyed? Well, the secret, it's all about teamwork.
See, it works because of this amazing thing called a risk pool. Just imagine a giant pile of leaves at the monkey bank. This pile isn't just from you. It's made up of the small monthly payments from many, many, many other monkeys all across the jungle.
And here's how that big pile actually works. First, tons of monkeys pay their leaves into the pile. Second, and this is the most important part, most of them are going to be just fine. Their trees are safe, nothing bad happens. So, when, third, one unlucky monkey does have a disaster, then fourth, the safety monkey can just dip into that huge collective pile to help them rebuild. It's brilliant.
Of course, it's not a total free-for-all. There have to be some rules to the game, you know? The fine print, maybe carved into the side of a big rock somewhere, that everyone agrees to.
So, you're probably asking, okay, what's the catch? Does the safety monkey just show up and pay for every little problem, no questions asked? Well, not exactly. There's one more really important piece to this puzzle.
And that piece is called the deductible.
Think of it as the small amount of leaves that you, the monkey, have to pay out of your own stash before the safety monkey's big pile of leaves kicks in to help with the rest.
Let's just break it down with some simple numbers. Let's say fixing your treehouse costs 100 leaves total, and your deductible is 10 leaves. You pay those first 10 leaves yourself, then the safety monkey steps in and pays the other 90 leaves from that big risk pool. The main point is, you're not stuck facing that huge 100-leaf bill all by yourself.
And this whole idea applies to all kinds of different dangers in the jungle. You've got health insurance for those times you accidentally eat a bad berry. You've got property insurance for, that bear attack on your treehouse. And there's even life insurance to make sure your family has enough leaves if you go to the big banana grove in the sky.
So when you step back and look at the whole picture, why does any of this really matter? What's the big takeaway here? Well, you can think of it as a seatbelt for riding through the jungle of life.
Now, I know some of you might be thinking like this skeptical monkey here. This sounds fine, but why should I give away my hard-earned leaves every single month if my tree never falls down? Isn't that just a waste of leaves? And you know what? That's a fair question.
But here's maybe the best way to think about it. Saying you don't need insurance because you're safe right now, that's a lot like refusing to buy a candle just because the sun is out. You don't buy the candle for the daylight, you buy it for the darkness that you know eventually is going to come.
Because at the end of the day, life is not some calm walk in the park. It's a rocket-powered roller coaster with all kinds of unexpected drops and crazy twists and sudden turns. And insurance? Well, that's your seatbelt.
It's not going to stop the roller coaster from being wild, and it's definitely not going to prevent the big drops. But what it is designed to do is hold you in place and keep you safe when things get bumpy, so you don't get thrown completely off the ride.
Ultimately, this whole thing comes down to one really powerful idea. Insurance isn't just about you protecting yourself. It's a community system. It's all of us recognizing that we can't predict whose tree is going to fall, but we can all chip in just a little bit to make sure that whoever is unlucky is never ever left to face the jungle alone. Because after all, apes together are strong.